Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows.
All
Of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. He never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say ho, ho. Your nose so bright, will you guide my sleigh tonight? All the other reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, yippee. The red-nosed reindeer in history.
Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Love it. That was amazing. Thanks for the song. Can you tell everybody Merry Christmas? No, you can't? Okay. Well, Merry Christmas.
I would, but it would do.